Hello guys, welcome to Which Use Tech. Today's video is a useful video on how to increase the speed of the laptop. I am with a very useful video to increase the laptop speed. I hope you will like it. One of the problems we encounter while using an old laptop is its processing speed. The processing speed of an old laptop can be drastically improved by two methods. One by increasing the RAM and other by upgrading an HDD to SSD. Here in this video, I am introducing you to improve the speed by increasing the RAM in my old laptop Dell Inspiron 3420. This laptop has come with a RAM of 2GB and I am adding 2 more GB to this laptop. This video is divided into 3 parts as opening the laptop, increasing the RAM and closing it. First, we need to remove all the screws on the bottom side. Next is to remove the keyboard by removing the clips. Then slowly detach the keyboard from the laptop. Now, carefully remove the keyboard cable. In the second part of the video, let's concentrate on how to remove and install a RAM. There are 2 RAM slots in this laptop. For removing the RAM, first disengage the side clips and carefully remove the popped out RAM. Same procedure applies for both RAMs. As the RAM is a static sensitive component, handle it with utmost care. You may gently brush the RAM slots if it's dusty. While installation, take care of the slots to avoid wrong installation. Same procedure applies for both racks. Third part of the video will show how to close the laptop in sequence. First, let's install the keyboard assembly. Finally, let's install all the screws on the bottom panel. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. and press on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video.